What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be teaching you a little transition slider effect for before and after images in Final Cut Pro. Let's jump right into it. So what you want to do is you want to go up to File, New, Project, and what you're going to do is you want your resolution to be a custom resolution of 1080 by 1350. This will be your Instagram size for Instagram post. If you want to do it for stories, it would be 900 by 1600. But let's stick to the Instagram size first. So let's do OK. So once you have your sequence started, you want to take your edited image, throw it on the timeline, then take your raw image, put it on top of it, make them roughly about 10 seconds longer if you'd like. No, doesn't matter. We're going to start with 10. There we go. So then what you're going to do is take some music, completely your choice. I chose this. I'm going to drop it on the timeline. And what you're going to do is scrub through until you find where the beat hits, which is where your transition will take place. So I can see here that a beat is clearly right there. Alright, so what I'm going to do is go back, scrub back a little bit, find where I wanted to cut, Command B, delete that, put it back on this timeline. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in here a little bit. And what I'm going to want to do is right click, show video animations. This is so I can see my keyframes where I'm going to be, because I'm going to be spacing them out equal amounts at both times of the transition. So let's go ahead and scrub through here. So there's the beat. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and hit crop. I want it to stay right there. And then I'm going to go ahead 22 frames. So right there. I'm going to keyframe all the way over. So then I'm going to go until I see another beat hit, which is probably going to be about right here. Right there. So I'm going to do another keyframe. Go up here. Keyframe. Then go ahead another 22. Do another keyframe. Then drag that all the way back over. So it should look something like this before I put in the transitions of the fade in, fade out. So here we go. Alright, perfect. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim this. We'll keep it at 10.5, no problem. I'm going to have the music fade out a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this music off. I'm going to have the music fade out, so give it a little softer ending. If I can grab it here. Same thing for the beginning. And then I'm going to pull this back. So what I'm going to do here is if I'm going to add the transition of the fade out. So if I hit Command T to do the default transition of fade out, if I had that and this pulled over, you would see a little bit of the bottom image peeking through during that fade out. So this is which is why I have it start right here. So you can see here that when it fades out, it fades out smoother. We're gonna do the same with the beginning. So, but what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna cut it about right here. Go up a little bit. Command B. I'm just gonna disable this clip. Command T for the default transition. Perfect. But as you can see here, I have black lines on both sides of my frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take both clips and I'm going to scale them up to 120. So go over here to your settings, 120. Click on this one, 120. So now you're even. But I don't like the composition on this, so I'm going to move it up on both of them to about 77. Alright, so I like that a lot better. So that is pretty much it for that. So go ahead and show you guys the final result. Alright guys, if you enjoyed that video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions of how I did something, please let me know in the comments below. Until next time guys, peace.